Hi, the websites are designed beautifully because of the right combination of colors. Nice colors in menu bar, colors in images, a color differentiation in navigation, and etc. And what about graphical games? Yes, of course, colors are very important in designing graphical games, okay? And you might have seen beautiful GIF images. That's also a combination of good colors, okay? So when we think all of these things, colors play really important role in designing your application, okay? So in this session we are going to learn about colors in C programming language, and we will take purple and cyan as a text experiment. Okay, let's start the session. Void, and I have to write the activities for this color, that is the method for this color. So I'm going to name it as purple. This is the body of the method, and now I want to add cyan color. Alright, and what about reset method? Yep, reset. Fine. Now we have to display the color codes. To display the color codes, we use printf function and add double quotes, okay, and then you have to combine the colors using escape sequence, okay. So start with slash and then 0, 3, 3 and open the square bracket, 0 semicolon and 35, right. Okay, this is the color code for purple. And what about cyan? Yep, printf slash 033 0 semicolon 36. The statement should also end with semicolon, okay, notice that. And now to reset the color code, I might use slash 033 0 m, is that right? Yep. Okay, now we have to call these methods. To call the methods, it's pretty simple, it's pretty cool. Purple and cyan and reset, and of course we have to print some text to test that color code. So printf function, hey buddy, I want to add escape sequence, new line character, okay, and for cyan also printf double quotes slash n, and how are you doing? Okay, all right. I hope everything is okay. Yep. Let me compile this program. Wow, it's really amazing, but the problem is I'm not getting the color code. Okay, so let's fix the problem. White purple 0 33 and 0 semicolon 35 and 0 36. All right, okay. Wow, it looks pretty cool and really beautiful. Thank you so much guys, and please try this trick in your home, okay. Do enjoy. Please do subscribe to our channel also, and thank you so much again.